lacking or pimping. Hell, we be putting in work. Shout out to collaborations because that makes it even easier. I can recommend other people content and get me some work done because I'm doing my research on the topic myself. So you ain't got to worry about a person's real life busy schedule. Nah, I can just use your work and go ahead and get it to say what I needed you to say anyways because you've already said it. Shouts out to those type of schemes. How to get rich off of watching YouTube videos, right? Well, you get you 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and you just keep making the content that'll get you views. And there you go. It's that simple. Shout out to your monetization coaching because, like I said, coming up, we'll be taking that off of level two by me a coffee. So yeah, the people that are active level two members, I'm gonna need y'all to hit me up so I can grandfather y'all in as far as the monetization coaching goes. But other than that, that's gonna be a special benefit of level four because level three's already been set up, so level four needs to be in the works, which will be that right there, the monetization coaching. Shout out to the coaching because not everybody gonna be willing to actually teach you motherfuckers things you should already know or be willing to learn yourself. But I get the point of it. Hell, you won't listen to nobody for free, so you'll have to pay me. You dig? Could have did this shit for free, but since you gotta pay somebody, you might as well pay your boy. Cause guess what? We'll know what to do with it. But speaking about knowing what to do with it, we got our money tree over here. Yeah, we got the official money tree. It's right there by the snake plant.
Are you done?
Nah, I'm about done though. But y'all know how we go. It was 420 somewhere. 420 somewhere. Got them plant types in the green room. You gotta keep them plant types in the green room. And then as y'all see over here, yeah, these autos is starting to fucking flower. Shouts out to them doing their thing. Some of them is, some of them still ain't though. All of them look like they trying to catch a fade, but hell, that's good for them. They trying to be in and out. They're autos. They hit a certain size and they ready to flower. It don't matter what the life cycle doing. They just gonna do their thing regardless. So whether you want to run a 12-12 or just run them 18-6, they'll still be cool because they get some time with the lights off to do their root zone thing because that's what they do when the lights is off. They work on their roots. Okay, the plant done collected the energy. Energy does what? Go to collecting, which is, serve and collect all day. That's what we do around here. Keep it crack-a-lacking. Shout out to crack-a-lacking, because up next will be, I got a couple cloning projects I need to do. Couple cloning projects, not off of there, but with the clones that we have in intent too, I can put them in some of these pots that we got since we have the real they've had roots. We can go ahead and get them in their final destination. Take off. Everything else decided to die except for that one plant over here. But that's a OG, which, hey, one plant was a sign of hope. That all the other OG plants that I had, it's the only one that done made it now. So yeah, it's one of those, but you know how struggle love goes. It be like that sometimes. But anyways, that's the green room. After I made you watch the video to see the green room, the people who don't know, that's for the new people. We got to give y'all opportunities and networking with somebody else's house. So that way, when you're in your own chat, you can actually just do your content, and hopefully you do long enough content where people can actually come in, get them some networking, and also because they gonna be in and out your chat because you might be taking a minute. Or you could just not be taking a minute. But shouts out to them 90-minute minutes because that's how they be over here. You dig? We try to come in through with the 90 minutes on our cycles, which are Wednesday at 6, Saturday and Sunday at 10. Because your boy gonna be willing to get up and get it in. Shout out to Spider Pig. We be doing them Super Saturdays over there too. Because that's what they do. But anyways, I'm going to holler back at y'all Saturday, 10 a.m. Or you can catch Spider Pig like I just said, because Super Saturdays we be up early, ready to talk that shit about some Dragon Ball, always and forever.